Professional.
Wow. Putting the stock on the cardboard. Preparing for embarkation for dry dock. Dry dock. Ito yung way namin. Galing kami dun sa baba. So, dadaan kami dito. Dito. Aakyatin namin yun. Yun. Yan ang aakyatin namin. So, okay. Kasama ko ang aking gang. KK! Hi! Naman! Si Joy. Alright, I'm with my gang. Sorry. Gusto kong matutong magraan. Country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia.
वापस चल के आना है कि इसी में आना है?
Almost got there.
ये अदर वे नहीं है।
So many pine trees. So in this area, you can see the souvenir shops here. Alright, you can see this. So what we're gonna do, we're going to walk all the way on the stairs to go up. And then my colleagues are having negotiate with our taxi driver. So look at this, all the way up. We're going to the top. Ooh, to see the nice view right there. Let's see. Let's find out. We'll be back. See. So, from here, pwede ka magsindi ng kandila. So, napakadaming kandila. Okay. So, church siya. So, ganda, diba? Ito yung talagang ano dito. Dadayuhin mo. See? Simbahan. Okay. Sagrado itong simbahan na to, kaya talagang mahalagang hindi mo siya mamimiss. Pupunta ka dito, pupuntahan talaga itong simbahan na to. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Oh. May grotto pa dun.
Put phone in bucket.
Oh my God. Pwede ka pang mag-iwan dito ng mga ano ng pamilya mo. Sobrang ganda talaga. Napaka-sanctuary ng lugar na to. Kumuha na rin ako nito. At dahil nga sa sobrang lamig, maglalakad muna kami ng roommate ko para magbawas umihi. So many pine trees. Ayun na nga guys, may part doon sa church na bawal talagang gumamit ng phone. Pero dahil sa hindi ko mapigilan ang sarili ko doon sa cave, ang ganda naman kasi parang sanctuary. You take photo, I'll take video. I'm gonna share this to you guys. Dito na nga kami sa destination. So grabe, ang ganda dito guys. Woo! Sanctuary. Yung makikita mo dito yung baba. Para kang nasa New Zealand. Di ba? Kung nandito kayo guys, makikita nyo tong area na to. Oh my god. Ooh! Breathtaking! Oh my! Speechless. Oh my goodness. This a beast. Oh, beast. Oh, please don't bite me. I'll be fine. I'll be good to you guys. Please don't beat me. Oh my gosh, this is really a sanctuary. Wow. Woo! Breathtaking. Oh my goodness. So we are now in the most highest top place. Ooh, this is what you got. It's very worth it. Rumi, are you still alive? Oh my god, you gotta see this, guys. Ooh, my life is complete.
Elaborazione.
Nakadak.
Coming from that ship.
Yan.
Il shift di
Nakadak
lavorazione.
kami
lavoro.
para
Yeah.
sa maintenance niya. Ang mga oras na to, pababa na kami ng town. Pabalik na kami ng town galing sa bundok. Chai tea. Sauce. Samosa. Parang bulaklak sa bibig ko.